This is the Mary Ellen Pleasant Memorial Park. San Francisco has a few dozen mini parks, but this is by far the tiniest. It's really just a parking strip located at Bush and Octavia near Cathedral Hill and Japantown. There's not even a bench to sit upon, with room only for some concrete blocks. The park has 6 trees, which Pleasant planted herself, although one of the trees seems quite a bit younger than the others and may be a replacement. The park is adjacent to the site of her former mansion, long since demolished. Mary Ellen Pleasant arrived in San Francisco in the early 1850s and immediately seized upon the gold rush opportunities of the time and built up a massive fortune in real estate, business ventures, and investments, including banks. She quickly became a millionaire. Lots of people made fortunes in this time, but what made Pleasant extraordinary is she was a black woman. And what did she do with her fortune? She helped people. Pleasant was very active in the abolitionist movement and funding the Underground Railroad. There is considerable evidence that she personally funded John Brown's raid on Harper's Ferry. Her life story isn't definitive. There are many discrepancies in the various biographies about her, as she tried very hard to keep her activities obscure. You weren't a 19th century abolitionist without a lot of scrutiny, particularly if you were a black woman with money. Mary Ellen Pleasant's official job title was domestic servant, even in the mansion she had built. You should look her up. Wikipedia is a good place to start. And then walk on by this park and reflect on a historical person who truly is a part of the spirit of San Francisco.